Amtrak Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with Amtrak, the major train service provider in the United States. You'll find links to the platform in the description below for easy access. Amtrak is designed for travelers who prefer to explore the U.S. by train, offering convenient routes connecting major cities across the country. Whether you're commuting, on a long-distance trip, or simply want a scenic ride, Amtrak provides various options to suit different travel needs. The platform offers a simple, user-friendly experience for booking tickets, finding routes, and checking schedules. It's a great choice for those looking for an alternative to flying or driving, particularly when traveling across large distances. The Amtrak website and mobile app are easy to navigate, with clear sections for searching routes, checking prices, and booking tickets. Amtrak offers a variety of ticket types, from standard coach to business class, and even sleeper cars for overnight journeys. Booking is straightforward, and the site provides a lot of helpful information regarding departure times, train amenities, and seat availability. One feature I found particularly useful is the option to choose between flexible and non-refundable fares. For last-minute travelers, Amtrak's flexible fare options allow you to make changes to your booking, while non-refundable fares provide a lower price for those who know their travel plans are fixed. Amtrak also provides discounts for seniors, military personnel, and students, which can make travel more affordable. The platform also integrates with Amtrak's rewards program, offering points for every trip, which can be redeemed for future travel or upgrades. The mobile app allows you to access your ticket and make reservations on the go, making it a great tool while traveling. Overall, Amtrak is a solid choice for traveling across the U.S., offering convenience, flexibility, and a variety of options for different types of travelers. If you're looking to book your next journey, check out the links in the description to get started.